Good morning, students. In the previous section, we studied about calculations involving number of particles in primitive unit cell, body-centered unit cell, and face-centered unit cell. A primitive unit cell is one which contains only particle at the corners. That's why each corner particle is shared by 1 by 8 share present at the each corner. There are 8 corners are there. That's why 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. There are 1 particle present in primitive unit cell. Similarly, in body-centered cube, it contains 2 particles, and face-centered unit cell contains 4 particles. Then, in this class, we have studied about closed packed structures in solids. In solids, the particles are very close one another here. They close compact packed here. Then, in the closed packing here, you come across 3 types of structures here. One is closed packing in 1 dimensions. In closed packing 1 dimension here, the particles are arranged in a 1 row. If the particles are here, in case of solids, the particles are considered as hard spheres. Particles are considered as hard spheres here. That's why these spheres here are joined in a 1 row here, and each particle in a row here surrounded by 2 neighboring particles. This is 1, this is 2. This particle surrounded by 2 particles, 1 and 2. This particle surrounded by here, this is 1 and 2 here. Like that here each particle in a 1-dimensional closed packing surrounded by 2 neighboring particles. That's why the coordination number in this 1 dimension is coordination number of this row is 2 it is. And coordination number nothing but the number of nearest neighbors of a particle in a crystal lattice. Here this 1-dimensional lattice contains 2 particles, each particle at the center shared by neighboring 2 particles. Thus the coordination number is 2. Then what is the coordination number? Coordination number nothing but number of nearest neighbors particles in a crystal lattice. Then this is about closed packing in 1 dimension. Here in 1 dimension it contains only 1 row it is. What about closed packing in 2 dimensions? In closed packing in 2 dimensions, here we have 2 types of arrangements. One is hexagonal closed packing in 2 dimensions here, or one is square closed packing in 2 dimensions. And what is hexagonal closed packing in 2 dimensions? In this arrangement here, this is called as first layer, and first layer or first row. The first row of this layer here, the second row particles are placed in the depressions of the first row. This is called depression of the first row it is. If the second layer is placed in the depression of the first layer here, then the first layer is called as A type and the second layer is called as B type. Similarly here, in third layer is placed here in the depressions of the second layer. Then this is when third layer is placed in depressions of the second layer, the particles present in the third layer is exactly aligned with the first layer here. That's why this is also called as A type. And again this is fourth layer is placed on the depressions of the third layer here, then you will get B type. This type of arrangement is called as AB type and AB type arrangement. When the particles are arranged like AB type particles here, then we get hexagonal closed packing. In hexagonal closed packing here, the centered particle is shared by, the centered particles are shared by 6 neighboring particles. This is 6 neighboring particles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the centered particle. This is a centered particle shared by how many particles? The centered particle is shared by 6 neighboring particles here. That's why the coordination number in a 2-dimensional hexagonal closed packing. This is a 2-dimensional hexagonal closed packing here. In a 2-dimensional hexagonal closed packing here, the coordination number becomes 6. If you are joining these spheres like this is like this, you will get hexagon. Like this. This is hexagon. This arrangement is called as hexagonal closed packing. Then what about here in case of a square closed packing? In the square closed packing here, the particles of the second layer, this is a 1-dimensional closed packing here, and the particles of the second layer is placed exactly here on the first layer, and they are aligned vertically as well as horizontally here. Then this is called as A type. Here the second layer exactly aligned with the first layer. This is also called as A type, and third layer also it is exactly aligned with this is second layer and first layer. This is called as AA type arrangement. During AA type arrangement, here in a two-dimensional square close packing, here each central particle surrounded by 4 neighboring particles. Then here, if you are joining these spheres, you will get squares. This is called as square close packing. Then what is the coordination number? The coordination number in two-dimensional square close packing is 4. Each sphere contact with how many particles? Here each sphere at the center of the particle surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 particles. That's why the coordination number of this two-dimensional square close packing is 4. Similarly, here when if you're going for this, this is about two-dimensional close packing. Here, if you're going for third one, that is three-dimensional close packing in 3 dimensions. Close packing in 3 dimensions. In close packing in 3 dimensions, here we come across it is 2 types of arrangement here. By taking this is square close packing, or by taking this is hexagonal close packing. If you are using this one, this is close packing by using a square close packing. By using the square close packing here for generating a 3-dimensional structure here, then this is called one layer here. Then similar layer is placed on the second layer is placed on the first layer here, such a way that the second layer particles and first layer particles are exactly aligned both vertically as well as horizontally here. Then we get a crystal lattice here. That lattice is called as a simple cubic lattice. Simple cubic lattice. And this simple cubic lattice here, each center particle is shared by 6 neighboring particles. That's why here coordination number equal to 6. This is, for example, this is first layer here. This is the first layer, and this is called as second layer. When the second layer particles are placed on the first layer here, such a way that the depressions of the first layer covered by the second layer, then it generates octahedral wires and also it is tetrahedral wires. And the vacant space during this one here, during arrangement of two-dimensional close packing, or this is hexagonal close packing, here you will get some voids. This is called as vacant space are present, and this vacant space present in a close packing is called as void. Void, nothing but empty space. This is void, empty space. Here empty space is larger in two-dimensional square close packing. Here empty space is larger here when compared to here two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Here vacant space is a minimum, very less. This is. Then if you are comparing the vacant space present in the square close packing and hexagonal close packing, here hexagonal close packing has less empty space when compared to square close packing. It has more empty space. It has empty space is less. Its packing efficiency is more. Its packing efficiency is less. Its packing efficiency is more. Here more particles are arranged in a definite order. Then similarly here, if you are placing second layer on the first layer here, then it generates 2 types of voids. If you are placing second layer on the depressions of the first layer here, then some of the tetrahedral voids in the first layer are generated here. This is called as This is called a tetrahedral void, and this is called as octahedral voids. This is tetrahedral void. This is octahedral voids. The octahedral voids. Like that here, it generates octahedral voids as well as tetrahedral voids. Then what is tetrahedral void and what is the octahedral voids? See, this is called first layer here. In the first layer, this is called as the second layer. If you place the second layer atoms on the depressions of the first layer, then here there is a vacant space is developed in a triangular shape. This triangular shaped void is formed here. This void is called as a tetrahedral void. This is called tetrahedron. Then the shape of this is called as this is called as like a tetrahedron here, and this is called as tetrahedral void generated. Similarly here, in case of if you are placing here, if you are placing second layer on the first layer depressions here, it generates 2 types of voids. One is tetrahedral voids or one is octahedral voids. If you are placing second layer over the first layer, here all the tetrahedral wires are not covered. Some of the tetrahedrals are vacant here. Then when you are placing third layer over the second layer, here it gives a vacant space. That vacant space is called as octahedral wires. This is called as octahedron here, and this is called as octahedral wires. That's why while the formation of closed packing in 3 dimensions, we get 2 types of wires, tetrahedral wires as well as octahedral wires. Then number of tetrahedral wires generated, number of tetrahedral wires formed is equal to here twice the number of particles which are participate in a crystal lattice. Suppose n number of particles are present. Suppose n number of particles are present in a crystal lattice. N number of particles present. The number of tetrahedral wires generated is equal to twice the number of particles. Similarly, here that is number of octahedral wires generated. Number of octahedral wires generated is equal to here the number of spheres which are taking part in a formation of this crystal lattice. For example, here we are taking this as a face-centered cube. Here we already know that it is a face-centered cube contains how many particles? There are 4 particles here. That's why the face-centered cube contains how many tetrahedral wires, how many octahedral wires means the face-centered cube contains how many particles are present? There are 4 particles which are present in a face-centered cube. That's why the number of wires, the octahedral wires generated in face-centered cube is 4. If you are applying this is for in case of face-centered cube, here n value equal to 4. And if you are applying this is tetrahedral wires in face-centered cube, here it becomes 2 into 4. 2 into 4 equal to how much? There are 8 tetrahedral wires are generated. That's why a face-centered cube contains how many tetrahedral wires? It contains 8 tetrahedral wires, and also it contains 4 octahedral wires. The number of octahedral wires generated is equal to number of particles which are participating in a crystal lattice, and also here the number of tetrahedral wires generated is equal to twice the number of particles which are present in unit cell. That's why here you will get 8 in case of FCC, and FCC cube contains 8 tetrahedral wires and 4 octahedral wires. Similarly, here if I take in case of a body-centered cube, body-centered cube contains how many particles? There are 2 particles. Then how many tetrahedral wires? Twice the number of tetrahedral wires. Twice means what? 2 into 2, that equal to 4. That's why number of tetrahedral wires, the number of tetrahedral wires is equal to 4, and the number of octahedral wires equal to 2 it is. This is number of octahedral wires present in BCC, and the number of tetrahedral present in that is BCC is 4, and this is called as 2. This is about it is the number of tetrahedral wires and octahedral wires. And these tetrahedral wires and octahedral wires are in case of formation of this tetrahedral wires, and some of the wires apex point towards upwards and some are point towards downwards. This is called as a tetrahedral wire here point towards upwards, and some are here point towards it is downwards. This is like this. This is about closed packing. This is in case of this is a square closed packing in a simple cubic lattice. Here if I are taking 2-dimensional square closed packing, here we will get a simple cube. Then what about here in case of hexagonal closed packing in a 3-dimensional? Then in a 3-dimensional hexagonal closed packing, here arrangement has 2 types of arrangements. That is this. Here closed packing in 3 dimensions. Closed packing in 3 dimensions. In closed packing 3 dimensions, we are using hexagonal closed packing. Hexagonal closed packing. During this arrangement, here you have 2 possibilities. Here one is covering of tetrahedral wires. Covering of tetrahedral wires. Then this is the first layer here. Then if you are placing a second layer, here over the first layer such a way that here to covering the tetrahedral wires like this. This is called a tetrahedral wires. If you are covering tetrahedral wires of the first layer here, then the first layer is called as A type. First layer is called as A type, and second layer is called as B type. This is called as A type. This is like this. like this we are covering a second layer. This is second layer over the covering of tetrahedral wires. All the tetrahedral wires are not covered here if you are placing second layer over the first layer. Some of the tetrahedral wires are vacant here, that generates octahedral wires. Then if you are placing third layer over the first layer, if you are placing a third layer over the first layer here in the depressions of the second layer like this, so generating like this, third layer like this. This is called A type, this is called as second layer is called B type, and the third layer is called again it is A type, it becomes A type. Then this type of arrangement is called as here AB type arrangements. AB type arrangement. In AB type arrangement here, the first layer and the second layer has same alignments. The first layer and third layer has the same alignment. This type of arrangement is called as AB type arrangement, and this type of arrangement gives hexagonal close packing structures. It gives hexagonal close packing structure. And in hexagonal close packing structure here, in this arrangement here, each sphere at the center covered by 6 neighboring particles. 6 particles are the same layer, and 3 particles above the layer and 3 particles below the layer. There are 6 particles present on the same layer, and the 3 particles are present above the layer, and the 3 particles are present on the below layer here. Then the coordination number becomes here 12. The coordination number becomes 12. And this type of arrangement is found in here magnesium and zinc. And zinc and magnesium has here 3-dimensional, this is hexagonal close packing here. The coordination number of magnesium and zinc in this arrangement is called as coordination number is 12. Then this is one type of arrangements here by covering tetrahedral wires, and second one here by covering octahedral wires. By covering octahedral wires here, for example, this is called as first layer, the first layer of the SCP lattice. This is first layer, and this one is the second layer, like this. This is A layer here. Then if you are placing third layer, say second layer here, that covers covering the octahedral wires. This is the covering of octahedral wires. We are placing second layer like, third layer like this. This is called A type, this is called as B type. Similarly here, if you are placing a third layer over the second layer, here such a way that here, then this is depressions of it is the second layer. The blue itala next green like this. This is the third layer like this here. This is A type arrangement, this is B type arrangement, this is called as a C type arrangement. And in this arrangement here, the third layer particles here and second layer particles and first layer particles are not aligned exactly. They have different layers, and these particles are not lying on the same horizontal vertically here. They are not lying on the same plane here. They comes it is. Then this is called as ABC pattern. This is also called ABC pattern. ABC type arrangements. And in ABC type arrangement here, by covering octahedral wires here, this type of arrangement gives here cubic close packing, or also gives it is cubic close packing. This is also called as this is H cubic close packing. This is also gives a face centered cubing, face centered cubic close packing or cubic close packing. And in the cubic close packing and face centered cubic close packing here, coordination number is 12. This here coordination number becomes 12. In both HCP lattice and this is the CCP and FCC lattice here, the coordination number becomes 12. It is. Then the metals like it is HCP nothing but here metals like copper and silver. This is The metals like copper and silver forms this is CCP lattice and FCC lattice. This is silver and copper. This is here coordination number becomes 12. Here coordination number becomes 12. Here now what is the difference between a SCP and a CCP? Here in SCP here the first layer of the particles exactly aligned with the second layer, and in case of this one it is SCP here, also FCC or CCP here, the first layer exactly aligned with the fourth layer. That is fourth layer and first layer and fourth layer have same alignment here. Here the first layer and this is the second layer have same alignment. Sorry, this is the third layer. First, second, third. The first layer and third layer have same alignment. Here first layer and third layer have same alignment here. This gives HCP lattice, it gives CCP lattice. This is a closed package structures in different forms. That is one-dimensional closed packing and two-dimensional closed packing. In the two dimensions you come across two types of packing here. One is hexagon closed packing, or one is square closed packing. Here coordination number is 4, here coordination number is 6 here. Like that, similarly you come across closed packing in 3 dimensions here. By taking square closed packing in 2 dimensions here, you will get a simple cube here. By using hexagonal closed packing here, you have two types of arrangements, by covering tetrahedral wires and by covering octahedral wires. By covering octahedral wires, you are placing a third layer over the first layer here. Then you will get this is hexagonal closed packing. Here coordination number becomes 12, and here if you are placing third layer here on the second layer such that to cover the octahedral wires here, and third layer becomes ABC arrangement here, and in this arrangement first layer and fourth layer have same alignment here. It gives a CCP lattice and FCC lattice. Here coordination becomes 12. Here coordination becomes 12 here. Here this type of arrangement is occurs in magnesium and zinc, and this type of arrangement is found in copper and silver. This is a closed package structures in 1 dimensions and 2 dimensions, and also it is 3 dimensions. Thank you.